Oh boy, now we gotta get everything set up because I didn't do that before I hit play. Or stream, whatever. Point is, there's a bunch of birds outside. And I'm just doing a tweet here while I wait for people to show up because nobody physically can appear as soon as the stream starts. So let's see, live streaming game development, of WARP-TEK right now, and happy face. Okay, cool. That's good to go. I will just oh yeah, I need to go into the TeamSpeak just in case anybody wants to join. I don't know if anybody will. I'll have to see. I'll just loiter here, I guess.
Connected.
Yeah.
Channel switched.
Okay, there we go. So I am in the TeamSpeak. So if anybody wants to join, they can. Although I am aware that, well, I don't know. It's a Sunday, so Florian doesn't really wake up until a while. Let's see. Okay, cool. I'll message Florian to say, wanna get on TeamSpeak? I'm streaming. Yeah, should be good. So do I have any viewers? Still no. That's okay. I guess nobody's awake at this time, or yeah, oh well. I can live with that, I suppose. I need to update the Twitch title because it just, damn it, the thing won't. I don't know, it should have changed, but it didn't. Oh, Florian's not here today. Probably because it is a Sunday anyway, and like not everybody is gonna be available on a Sunday like that. Except for me. I'm the only person who does anything on a Sunday in the whole universe. So let me just change this title to Game Development Godot Engine. Yeah, update information, and hopefully it'll actually update. Okay, cool. I think I can do that midstream. I don't think I have to restart anything. Okay, well, whatever. Nobody's watching still, but I might as well just get going. Cause why not? I got my chamomile tea. I'm gonna moving stuff around on my desk. And okay, let's see what we have and what we need to actually work on. So, oh my mouse is lost. Here we go. I need to yeah, the bosses thing. Well, I'm gonna ease into that a little bit. I'm gonna fix this stuff on the main menu for a bit. Because I don't want to go straight off into the deep end. I'm not sure if that's a great idea. So yeah, I got the chat open. Everything's good except Picato. The chat won't connect for Picato, so I'm giving up. I do have to fix these though because it's modifying something. I basically should have like, is there like a highlighted thing I can do? Because that would be really useful on buttons. Let me just check this. I'll just get a new window. Godot button. Let's see if there's anything here. Base one is hovered. Yes, that's what I want. Okay. Oh, hi, Nico was here. Hello, Mr. Dude. Let's see. So I should be able to just do this real easy. It should just be something like this, right? On play mouse entered. Well, it shouldn't really do the signal then, I guess. Game development is hard. It is, isn't it? I've noticed that. I'm beginning to believe the game development is difficult. So if get node, especially when making alternate reality games. You're making an alternate reality game? Oh man, that sounds intense. What's that like? Yes, it is Harvard. We have to do this. Else, this should be fine, I think. Color dots lighten 0.4. Yeah, that's not kosher. Oh, actually, it wouldn't be 0.4. It'd be 0.36 because it's like a square of the thing. Whatever. I think that's actually how it works. I have to just double check that. Oh my god, that actually works. I did not expect that. I'm gonna lighten it by a bit more. It's hard for me to even get started. Yeah, I can imagine. I wouldn't know where to start. Yeah. So like, what engine are you doing that in? What sort of tech? You have to make a storyline that can change depending on players' actions? Yikes. You have to be ready for everything. Yeah, that sounds like crazy. Are you like the only person working on that? Like, do you have a team or whatever? V1 H2 options. Covered. Oh man, you're the only person working on that? Yikes. That sounds like a scope nightmare, honestly. I pity you and I wish you luck. That sounds honestly like a nightmare. Like legit, like that sounds like the scope is just huge. I guess I would recommend like getting some people to help you with that. I mean, do you have like a social media thing at least so you can like, you know, advertise it and like talk to people about it maybe? Alternate reality game functions like this. The Puppet Master or Puppet Masters run the entire game using social media and or custom-made sites/emails. Huh, interesting. That's pretty cool actually. So it's like that's actually really, that's a cool idea. It's like it isn't a yeah. I like that idea actually. It sounds intriguing, definitely. It's just, yeah, that's a big thing. It's those kind of games that take place in the real world. Yeah, I get that. Again, it just sounds like intense to create, but like, it's definitely an interesting idea. It has a "this is not a game" sort of feel. Yeah, absolutely. I really like things like that. Like, yeah. I enjoy. Wait. I'm sorry, I'm getting distracted. Yeah, I enjoy alternate reality games. They're kind of cool, especially when it's like a puzzle for like some stuff, you know. I think that's pretty rad. Oh, there you go. That actually works real nice. It's a bit subtle. Maybe I should put the light up a little. I don't know if it'll go any further up, to be honest. I think I should just maybe even put this down. I have an ARG I made without the storyline, so it's not as fun. Oh, yeah, without the storyline, I can imagine it being a little less exciting, but yeah, still like a cool thing. Okay, I also have to do I have to do the press signal on this too. Why did I close the damn thing? But it's just meant to be a test of puzzling skill. Yeah, that's fair. I mean, yeah. I know there's some really cool like ARG things on the internet. I can't remember. There's one that's like really long, but I cannot remember what it's called. It all takes place in a web browser, I think, and you have to, you know, go for some, you know, pretty cool stuff. Pressed. That's what I want. This time trying to add a story to it. Yeah, good luck. Because yeah, like a story is cool. Like a story is kind of important for like it can make such a difference, you know. Huh. Okay. Yeah, but yeah, it can make like such a difference. Like it gives it like a purpose to complete the game. Like World of Goo is more like that could have gone like really easily into just a puzzle game, but because the story is like, that's what kind of like made me play it to the end. Hey, you want a link of the old one, which is more puzzle based than story based? Yeah, sure, why not? I won't check it out now because I'm doing stuff, but like, yeah, I'll keep it in mind. I'll like check it out later probably, since that sounds rad. I like ARG games. I like. Oh my god. Ooh, there we go. Awesome. Yeah, I'll bookmark this and I'll take a look later because that looks pretty cool. I really like that kind of thing. Like, not enough people do that. Like, not enough people are like dedicated to making alternate reality games. Oh, could you at least check it out on stream so I can help you if you get stuck? Yeah, I'll do that. Like I said, I gotta harness this productivity. Yeah, later on stream. Yeah, sure. Like maybe at the end when I'm feeling a bit like freaking dead. So that would probably be more reasonable. Darkened by 0.4. Because yeah, like right now I'm getting stuff done, which I'm not always doing. I'm not always good at doing. But yeah, whatever. Point is, fixing the menu, and then I'm gonna fix some gameplay. But yeah, this isn't very interesting. It's kind of, as I said, just mindless stuff to keep me, to ease me into it, really, just to very gently, like, you know, that kind of thing. Oh, there we go. Seems to work good, and it's not even broken anymore, and that means I should be able to do the same thing with that. Are you excited for Steam Proton to play Windows-only games on Linux? Am I excited for Steam Proton? Are you asking me if I'm excited for Steam Proton? Oh, I don't have any Steam Proton games installed, but yeah, I am. It seems to work pretty well, actually. I tried a few things with it. Ultimate Doom was one which worked really well. I didn't have to do any virtual desktop stuff at all. Yeah, I think that's going to be really cool. I like creating things a lot, but most of my ideas are spin-offs of other ideas. Yeah, fair enough. I mean, even like spin-offs of other ideas are still cool if they have like, you know, like your personal taste spin on them. You know, I mean, a lot of really good games are very like closely inspired by other things. It's just the execution and a little bit more polish which makes the big difference. So yeah, I actually have Godot engine but don't know how to use it. It's like, it's not that complicated, to be honest. Like, compared to things like Unity and Unreal, I think that it's a lot easier to use. It's pretty simple. It's very powerful, but yeah, it is. I much prefer the workflow on this. So I would recommend like trying it out a bit. You know, just try and make something simple, like maybe a platformer. You know, that kind of thing. Let's see what I need to do. I do not need to be here. I need to be here, and I need to get to the control panel. Is the one I want to do right now. I have a story that I was writing once, but that it was a mashup of a bunch of different video games. Oh yeah, fair enough. Just mash up so many video games that you don't even know how many like which ones you're drawing inspiration from, because it's just like there's not enough inspiration from any one video game. That's how you do it. Oh, I know how to use Unreal and Unity and GameMaker. Yeah, sick. I tried out GameMaker for a bit and that was okay, but I didn't really know what to do beyond that. Well, it was pretty good. I tried Unity and got real sad because it don't work on my Linux. Good. Well, it didn't at the time, so I gave up. Let's see. Where's cPanel? If selected object is equal to the... Oh yeah, I can just do that. That should be easy, actually. Alex, how did you get in game development? Can you do us a video about your history with Gamedev? Yeah, sure. I mean, I gotta do something. I mean, I think tomorrow I have to do a devlog for all these changes I've made. But like on the day, like the next time I do a video after that, I can do like a video like that, like a history of like a game of how I got into game development and stuff. Because that seems like interesting anyway. It'd be fun to make it. Unity on Linux is full of bugs. Oh, I know. Yeah, you don't have to tell me. Like even like now it's a lot better than it was, but it's still like not comfortable. It's still kind of difficult to work with. What else? Let's see. So I basically just have to do this. Wait, I need to get the actual color that I'm doing. Aha, there we go. This is the color. Oh wait, I have to equals color scalar base color dot lightened by, I don't know, 0.3 or something. There we go. That's reasonable. Can't believe I never thought of like this fix before. Yeah, look at that. That's way better. 0.5. That might be a bit intense though. That's good. That's actually quite good. Now I can do the same thing with this one down here. Get node y sort player. There we go. Just sneezed. Equals get node. Oh my god, I cannot type. Y sort slash crafting table. Then else. There we go. I'll just steal this and I'll just change around the name. Yeah, there we go. Should be good. I'll just test that out now. This still works good. How does the other one? Yes, it does. Wonderful. It's real swell. It's real great. That's real like the Frosty's tiger, Tony the Tiger. It's great. That's what I think. Okay. So on now, that's actually like a cool thing that I fixed. I'm kind of glad about having fixed. Oh yeah, like there's a small chance that my microphone is just gonna go crazy at some point. The wire isn't very good, and sometimes it makes this really painful sounds. So I apologize in advance if that happens. But I guess it's, you know, bear that in mind. Okay, finish implementing the spaceship. That is the next thing I gotta do, I suppose. So really, it would be easier if I could test this by making this guy show up way early. Like boss list is like, let's do one spaceship. Wait, damn it! It's gotta be like this. Is that dictionary? Okay, so this should just show up immediately, just to like show off this. And all the spawns don't work. That's good. I shouldn't be moving. Nope, good, I'm not. Oh my goodness. He is a bad boy. Shooting at me. Let's see. Oh dear, here comes this attack, which is not easy to dodge, but oh dear. This attack is very difficult to deal with. Okay. I don't have any of the cool bullets. Oh yeah, I really like this like Hornet's attack thing. It's really difficult to dodge is the only problem. I'm not sure if that's just because I'm bad or if there's like a way to do it that I haven't like thought of yet. Or if I should just like slow them down, because that's also a thing. It's possible that I'm just like not good. Like the way it's easy to dodge this one because you just like wait it out really. But this one here, it's a bit more tricky. Ah, and I do a lot of damage too. I definitely think I should maybe put that one down. Oh god. Alright, and I also have to remove that white overlay that happens. Oh my, wait, hey, wait a second, that's the wrong death animation. Oof, it crashed. Okay, so we still have to implement stuff for the boss actually dying. I'm gonna do that in a minute, but for now I've got more pressing matters to attend to. Which is to say, I've gotta do stuff. What do I gotta do? I need to go into the spaceship attack. I have to remove that white thing. Hornet's attack. I'll just hide this since it's not necessary. That should be helpful. Now what else? I should probably save this also. But yeah, now I need to make it so he'll actually die. How am I gonna do this? There's a few things wrong. Like, first of all, that the laser did not trigger at the correct moment. So I'll put his health down so I can just test the dying real quick. Spaceship. This can be deleted, I'm pretty sure. I'll put his health down to 25. The factor of 10 difference. And I'll just test this out again. Okay, cool. Come on, dude. Come get your comeuppance. Oh, there we go. Here's this attack. I think I am gonna have to fix that. Make it maybe I should make it like bigger things. Oh dear, what the hell? Wait, what is this? Explosive rounds auto? Not even using what? Oh no. What? This is bizarre. Null instance? What the hell is this? What is using this script? And why are there two of them? Oh dear. Wait. Is this just this is just the explosion that I've named badly. Okay, I see. That makes more sense. So I can just go to entities, explosions, explosive rounds auto, and why is this saying this is a null instance? Byte 2D sprite? That should not be a null instance. Yeah, what the hell? I do not understand. They not found light energy, light scale. Is it just deleting things? What? Oh no. Oh no. Okay. Okay. This is fine, this is fine. I just gotta work out how to deal with this. Why? Why? Is this a thing because I like deleted it and then it's still calling the function? I mean, that would be a horrible bug. Let me just try that again. This time minus all the terrible. Okay. Let me see. Come on, dude. Wait, I think it happened with the default gun. Okay, so it didn't happen this time, so it must just be a weird fringe case. Okay, that seems to work. And now it crashes. Delete in base nil. So the issue here is that in Wave Manager, I'm not actually setting this boss properly, I think. I suppose, yeah. So where am I spawning the boss? Am I doing it in Distance Manager or Bullet Hell? I think I might actually be doing it in Bullet Hell. I have all these scripts here. Don't even worry about it. Let's see. Damn it! Where the hell am I spawning this boss? I wouldn't be doing it in here, would I? That'd be crazy. No, of course not. I'm not that insane. Wave Manager? Maybe I am spawning it here. Yeah, what the hell? Boss is equal to this. Boss.delete in base nil. Boss is nil. Huh. That's actually really weird. Okay. Can't check out this for some reason. Yeah, that's what happened. Boss spawned is false, which it shouldn't be. Oh wait, is it just resetting that? Boss.delete. Now why is this doing this? Also, this win thing should not show up. Okay, so basically I gotta redo this code. So let me just do nothing. Nothing here. And I'll destroy the boss. and then I will just not do anything else basically. Okay. So this should do nothing. I should keep the speed going up. Oh, I'm dead? What? Wow, I have no idea what happened there. I shouldn't have even been able to take damage. Why did it trigger the death thing? Okay, that's intense. Yikes. Whatever. Huh, okay. Get rid of boss. Why can't I call boss.delete? Why can't I do that? Like this dude should not be disappearing until I tell him to. Spaceship. Die. He doesn't queue free anywhere until delete. Can I just do like if weak ref dots of boss dot get ref, I think it is, or something like that. Then boss dot delete boss dot queue free, I should say. Let me see if this works. I should also fix the thing with the speed going way down because it does not need to do that. Okay. Kaboom. Exploiting a bug there. Okay. Can invalid type. Yeah, is boss genuinely like? Why is that saying that it's nil? It's definitely not nil. It's being set like right here. It's being set right here. I'll do like a print that says boss is set. I'll just print boss just to make sure, because this is crazy. And this is using the big one. It's not using any weird local variables. Oh, come on. Alright, let's see. Come on, dude. Weak ref again from nil to object. Wait, is this not even being run? What? Wait. What? Where am I doing this then? Where am I getting the boss? If it's not running this. What? How the hell is it making the boss? If not in here? Oh my god, what the hell? Am I doing this in Distance Manager? Am I at least calling something in Distance Manager? I have... Oh my god, what? Wait, I have the boss spawner thing that I completely forgot about. Oh my god, here it is. I'm an idiot. Oh my god. Okay, whatever. I don't care. I don't care. Let me just get node wave manager dot boss equals new boss, and I think that should fix all the problems. I should fix some of the problems. I mean, I still gotta change stuff, but like, why don't you make the shoots go in the direction of your mouse instead of only firing on the x-axis? Because that's kind of like part of the challenge of the game. Like, it's a horizontal shooter, so I mean, if you could fire in any direction, it would control really weirdly, and it wouldn't be as difficult. I mean, there's a lot of bullet spreads. You don't have to like always put yourself into danger, but it's like, that is kind of the thing. Alright, are we back up? Are we going again? Okay, it's still no enemy spawns, but that's actually going a lot better than I expected. Let's see. Okay. I'll have to get the animation. So prepare minigame. Wait, I have to do the laser beam I think most of this is in the laser beam itself. Laser beam spawn. I'm just gonna remove this. This shouldn't really be messing with the speed at all. Actually, maybe it should. It should mess with the speed, but it should go back up at the end. Over here, it should go back up from 50 to... Let me add another bit here. I'll call it 450. There we go. And that should just keep stuff cool. Keep stuff stylish. Keep it rad. Oh, okay, this is a stupid error. Okay, let's see. Okay. Let's get to this. Let me get some of this, dude. Oh dear. Yeah, those bullets really need to go like fire less quickly, I think. Let's see. There we go, and it goes back up to normal. And then enemy spawns should resume also at that point, so I think I should be able to do that really easily. This is what? Get rid of boss. I think I have a reactivate or deactivate spawns thing. Oh, what's this? This is me developing my game, dude. Me developing my video game. I'm crafting that with my own 2 hands. But right now I'm doing less interesting stuff. I have to make enemies start spawning again after the boss dies. But because I have such a mess here, I completely forgot how I'm gonna do that. I'm pretty sure I have like a reactivate. Yeah, I do. I should be able to just do something like on this. Oh wait, this one. I'll do add a call function. What kind of game is it? Bullet hell? Yeah, kind of like a horizontal shooter, bullet hell type thing. Yeah, that's kind of the idea. The whole there's big colors. You shoot guns, you get upgrades. You shoot the thing, you rescue your pet who's on like a planet far away, and it's real good. It's the best game. I think it's safe to say it is probably the best video game out of the video games. And actually it's better than movies too. Just all of them. Just all of the movies. Can you upgrade your ship from tadpole to frog? No. No, you cannot. But, I mean, you can upgrade it, you can make it stronger, I guess. It does look a bit like a tadpole, doesn't it? Oh. Can't believe this. Can't believe I've been done like this. Alright. There we go. Kill the dude. Now, does this reactivate spawns or not? It probably does, but because the speed is 0. Oh wait. Because boss exists has to be... I have to do a signal for this. On animation finished. This has to go up here. Animation player finished. LF anim name is equal to laser beam spawn. Then it has to do... Is it boss exists? Or oh yeah, it does actually. It was false. Wonderful. That actually works perfectly. Okay, cool. Real nice. There we go. Sick. Laser beam equals 1-hit kill. The laser beam is basically what happens after you win a boss fight. So you can do a big laser to destroy him. It's a finisher, yeah. Come on. Why is this still not going up? Damn it. Laser beam spawn? It is the correct animation I did, isn't it? Laser beam spawn. Yeah, it should be. So why is the speed not going up? Distance manager. Let me see. Speed, if boss exists, but I just set boss exists to equal false. I'm gonna have to do an egrep thing, aren't I? 0 times 0.4 equals 0. I know, but it's not. The speed here isn't 0. Let's see. It's definitely the boss exists thing that I'm setting somewhere else. Boss spawner. Let's see. Is it here? Get node. What boss exists equal true? That should only run once, I'm thinking. If boss exists, blah 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 blah. Am I not setting this properly? Because, as I said, the speed is set here to 450, which is... That's definitely not it. So it must be something here, because this speed is being set to 0, but this one is... not. Let me see. Laser beam underscore spawn. Yeah, they should work. Boss exists equals false. Yeah. Again, this should be correct, I would think. Distance manager, is this definitely doing it? Process, yeah, it's doing it good. Kind of weird. Huh. It's actually quite weird. Not sure why that is. Or why that's doing me like this. Okay. Let's see. Have you tried debug statements to see what part of the code is getting run and what the variables are? Yeah, I'm about to do that, I'm thinking, because I think I'm gonna have to. I'll just do print speed. I know what that is. And that'll also make sure this is actually being run, because it should print out like 0 initially, I'm thinking. I don't think it should ever run again, so if I'm correct, this should print 0. Let's say it's still not actually run that, so let me just do this. Come on. So that's not actually... Wait, is this connected? Am I looking at the wrong thing? See, that's connected. Is this connected? Huh. It's not. Is it not running this callback? Animation player, animation finished. Animation player, animation finished. It should be running the callback, but it doesn't seem to be. I'm gonna try disconnecting and reconnecting it, maybe, just to make absolutely sure. Oh shoot! Did I ruin something? No, it should be okay. So wait, why was this even? What was this even doing? If it was connected to this. Oh, wait a second. Oh shoot, that's what it is. I was connecting it to the wrong node. Player, there we go. If animated laser spawn, get node dot boss exist equals false. That would do it. There we go. And I can remove that. Okay, cool. So I guess I was just hooking that up to the wrong thing. So it should work now. I should have, you know, spawning and everything working. I should at least have the distance going, because spawns should be enabled. So let's see. I really need to do an animation for that guy. Oh no, why does that happen? Okay, whatever. Okay, it crashed. Cool. Health. On base sprite. What? Okay, so the issue here is that it's, for some reason it thinks this is a sprite, which is not even close to being correct. Why the hell does it think this is a sprite? That's insane. Okay, that's kind of worrying. What have I been doing here? Okay. Boss, object, this. I can't see it, damn it. Come on. How the hell is this even being set to a sprite? It shouldn't be doing that. It would have had to set boss equals to new boss. Wait, is this in bullet hell? No, it isn't. This isn't. They've got way more code in here. Oh my god, what is this? Wait, what? This is a built-in? Oh my god, is this in the... This must be in the enemy HP thing. So why is this being set like that? Am I setting this? I'm gonna have to do another e-greppy thing. Let's see, enemy HP dot set boss new boss and set boss boss. Let me go to Wave Manager and see what's going on in there, because I suspect that shouldn't be running. Here it is. Spawn boss. This again didn't print anything, so it's not running that, so it must be here, I suppose. Boss spawner. Which again, why is this spawning anything? It shouldn't be. And how is it spawning it as a sprite? That makes no kind of sense. Oh no. Oh dear. This is quite concerning. How the hell is it spawning it as a sprite? What? I genuinely do not understand. I don't have any sprites that instance like that. I don't have any. Look at this. There's no sprites here. This is concerning. How could this possibly be the case? And what the hell is this object, and why can't I see it? Come on. I have to see what boss it's actually set to. Like, there's no boss spawned, there's an enemy spawned. And that wouldn't be the issue, would it? Scrolling in, that's not set to anything. I really wish I could do a proper thing. Come on. Can I really not see these things? Ugh. Bullet hell. Let me just... I should be able to click on the actual thing and see it that way. As a member variable. Boss is... yeah, that's a sprite, baby. Wow. What is this sprite called? It's just called remote sprite, is that it? It's got that texture in it for some reason. It's modulated properly. It's got nothing else. Wow, what the hell? This is just, it's just a shiny little ball. Oof. Oof. Why is that happening? Ugh. Okay, 1 second. Okay, I'm back. I'm still trying to work out what this bug is doing. What is this? Path, that's just a... wait a sec. Wait a second. What? Okay, this is terrifying. It's actually setting... This is a reference to the enemy that we spawned, except it's the sprite. Wait, is it? No way. Oh my god, it is. It's from the enemy that spawned. How is that happening? What? How is that setting onto boss? This makes no sense. And how did it not error out here? Okay. Maybe this is just insane. maybe I'll just restart and hope that doesn't happen ever again. Because that doesn't make any sense. Hopefully it won't happen again. Okay. Okay. So that's another bug that happened. I think that was because we died and it doesn't like that. So let me just... I'll fix that in a bit. Right now I gotta just make so you can get through this guy. Let's see. Oh, okay, there we go. Yeah, there we go, it's working. We should be going again. Sick. Okay, we still can't shoot because we haven't actually re-enabled the ability to shoot. But okay, that's some good progress though. I like that. The question is, can we actually go for 2 bosses in a row doing that? Or will that run into some weird like edge case stuff? Not edge case, that's not even an edge case, it's just a stupid stuff. Okay, so I guess that bug about this boss being a texture is not right. And I hope that'll never happen again. That's really my aim here. So, yeah, cool. Okay, this is fine. I will just simply, easily, of course, do a thing which will be revealed when I think of the thing which I'm thinking of after the end of the sentence, which will end imminently, but it will end suddenly, so please be prepared. Yeah, you didn't think that sentence would end suddenly as that, did you? You thought I was going to continue the sentence. You idiots. You dumb idiot people. Get a load of you. Should have seen the look on your faces when I said that this would end suddenly, and you thought I was going to keep going. How gullible. How insane. How completely off the walls. I have to reactivate shooting now, I think. And then I'm gonna go for another boss. I'm gonna try. Alright, cool. We got the first boss like immediately, so that's not so bad. Oh my god, they just annihilate all of my health because of that. It froze me. I suspect I'm gonna die like as soon as this is over. Yeah, that's about right. Oh, it didn't crash though, because it didn't have to kill anything, so... let me try that again. Oh, okay, so I also forgot to reset the health in between attempts. Again, that's something for another time. Yeah, let's keep going. Okay, cool. And it crashed. Wait, what? Particles material. Wait, what? Oh my god, this is setting some crazy stuff all over the place. How could this happen? Honestly, this is like really concerning. It's just setting crazy stuff. Current attack should not be a particles material. That doesn't make any sense. Look at that. How is that the case? What? How? This is insane. It says die, it goes to... wait. Die. If the current attack Oh boy, Filipino. Hey Alex, how's it going? It's going hellish. What the hell is happening? I'm getting variables that are set to these random, like, materials and, like, objects that shouldn't be set to. How is this even a thing that's happening? Where am I setting current attack? Now this could possibly be a possibility. What? This is just trying to mess with me. How is this possible? Yeah, I mean, there's no... It sets it, but it's like there's no... This is never setting it to a particles material. Not even a particle 2D node. But the actual material. Like the actual... Like the material. If I get a particles node, it's not setting the particles 2D. Oh no, it's setting this. It's setting this. I never even used this in code. I've never interacted with this in code. How is it setting... How is it giving me this error then? This shouldn't possibly... This should not be the case. And like, why... How? How is this possible? This should never be a particles material. Let me just show you how I use materials. Oops. Ignore this sub-resource stuff. Okay, so let's see, setting shader parameters like this. And again, not setting current attack or anything. Sub-resource stuff, blah 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 blah. Blah 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 blah. Not interesting. Duplicating the material sometimes. Again, not setting the sprite to the material, just setting the sprite's material to a duplicate of itself, so it doesn't have anything like that. I'm never... Okay, so this is the one time I've used process material, I guess. And again, this is not setting it anywhere else except for the process material. WARP-TEK. Let me just do process material. Still got a lot because it's thing particles, and I use particles constantly. But again, you can see I'm never setting this. I'm genuinely just not setting this. And the weird thing is, this kind of error has happened like just now. Boss was set to a sprite, which is again weird because I don't have any sprite like prefabs, so it couldn't possibly set it to a sprite. Like, these are some really concerning errors here, and I don't know how to deal with them. And if they're just like as unpredictable as they seem, then it's like not good. It's not good at all. Okay, we kill this guy. Some weird distortion there. We go back. It doesn't seem to be crashing. I still can't shoot because, you know, why not? I did set reactivate shooting, but you know, apparently that doesn't do anything. Oh my god, I can't believe this. I honestly, this is intense. Nothing is happening the way that I want it to happen. Why is this not working? This should be working. This should definitely be working. And yet it's not. Why isn't it? Is this running? Is it literally not running the function? Timer stopped. But restarted. Print function run. Let me try this. And again, I'm ready to get some other weird error because apparently that can happen. Apparently it's just random things can happen that defy all logic or realism or anything. It's just crazy stuff happens and I have no way to fix it. So far nothing crazy has gone wrong. Again, that's not doing it anyway. Function run? Okay, so run the function. I mean, can I just take all of this and just put it? Why is it running this function constantly, by the way? I feel like it shouldn't. And it never actually seems to get in here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Come on, what the hell? This is, I'm like 99% sure this is deactivating my shooting. It has to be, right? Surely. What about this prepare minigame thing? Spawn minigame, zoom in, no, it's not doing anything there. Oh my god. Guys, I've come up with a new hobby. I've come up with a new thing. It's not game development. I quit game development. I'm gonna go into like alcohol. Not being like a wine taster, but like a binge drinker. And I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna spend all my money on that. And then I'm gonna like play with guns. I'm gonna get really into guns, like none of the safe ones, like really dangerous guns. And hopefully in combination, I'm gonna start smoking too, and then maybe my lifespan will be so short that I never actually have to like encounter this bug or like deal with it, because this is really making me unhappy. This is really ruining my mood, ruining my day. I don't know what the hell to do. I don't know what the hell is happening. Why is this not working? Just why? Why? Okay, well I can go like prepare minigame, I can go, well that's not anything. Laser beam spawn? I mean I can get like, this does what? Reactivate spawns? Is that it? Or reactivate shooting? Let's reactivate spawns. And this is just going up here, isn't it? There's no reactivate. There's no reactivate. What? There's no reactivate thing. What? This is going one level up. What? I don't understand. This should be pointing. These two paths should be pointing to the same place. They're both dot dot. Dot dot. Dot dot. And yet they're not. And yet they won't. So I guess I'll just have to manually call one to the player. No, I won't do that. I'll use the signal. I have the signal set up on as well. I'll just go to reactivate shooting and I'll just take all of this and I'll put it back into the damn function, because I know that this should be running regardless of whatever lies it tells me, whatever things it tries to convince you or me. Okay, fine, we're gonna kill the boss again. Probably gonna lose. Probably gonna have a horrible bug again. Here it is. Oh my god, here we go. Boop, there we go. Big laser. Come on. Back up, and health on base particles 2D. It's a particles 2D. It's a fucking particles 2D. I swear to God, what? I'm not missing something here, am I? I'm not missing something. There's no way I'm missing something here. Because this should not be a particles 2D. Ever. This variable gets set in 2 places. Once it was a texture for some reason. The other time it's a particles 2D. This shouldn't be how it works. This should not be how it works. Let's take a look at boss. Let's see where this is meant to be. Let's go to... We can't even inspect it here for some reason. Particles 2D. Yeah, of course. Is the particles 2D in our... Yeah, in our thing. In the sniper bullet that we just shot. Of course. How could this happen? Physically, how could this happen? How could a computer do this? How is it physically possible for a computer to be able to do this? Computers aren't random. They can't do this kind of thing. Why are they setting it like this? And how have I never encountered this error before? How is, like, this not a big problem? I don't get it. I genuinely don't get it. So here's the thing. I set this goddamn variable in 2 places in my entire code base. In 2 places. Okay? And both times, it's creating the boss. One of those pieces of code doesn't even get run. You don't believe me? I can show you. I can do an egrep. I can show you that. Let's take a look. WARP-TEK boss equals. You can see here is one place which is inside the set function. Wait a second, this is a different one. So it's not that one, but still, this is under which function is even? This is in the boss spawner thing, isn't it? Or it's in bullet hell. So these are the ones that are relevant here. Boss equals null. That's initializing it. Okay. Wave manager boss equals the new boss. This makes even less sense the more I look at it. This makes even less sense. This is an enemy HP. This is an enemy HP. Okay, fine. I'll do set boss. What is it? It's set boss. I'll do that. Okay, shut up. Enemy HP. There we go. Set boss. 2 places in the whole code. In Wave Manager, I set boss. Now let me just check to see what that's like. Wave Manager. Wave Manager. Set boss. Where could that be? But nice if I could give like line numbers. I don't know how to do that. Set boss. Oh, where the hell are you? It's right here, isn't it? I can't see it. Okay, here it is. Set boss. And again, this is right when it's just instancing the boss. Instancing the goddamn boss. Okay, so it's definitely not then. And that doesn't even run. I tried this, I printed that bit doesn't even run. That's the other one, boss spawner. Again, set boss. Let me go up here to boss spawner. Again, new boss. Set boss, new boss. It's the exact same thing. It's instancing it. It's just instancing it. It's just, we're making it and we're assigning it. How could this possibly ever be a texture or a particles node? Especially a texture or particles node that's like far away from this. When am I setting this? What is next boss? Distance manager, the boss. There is no way that this could possibly be pointing to the particles node in my bullet. To the graphic component of my bullet. That's not physically possible. This isn't even something that a bug should do. Like if there's a bug in the engine, it shouldn't be able to just trade variables for no reason. A variable should not be able to just pick a random thing out of a hat. This is extremely upsetting. I am bewildered by this. How? I mean, just how? Is this gonna be the correct thing? Yeah, self is correct. Boss, no, that's my bullet. Are there any other weird variables? Can we even find any other weird variables? Or are the other ones working? Let me go here. Members, let's go for an object one. I don't know if there are any really. Yeah, boss spawner, members, spaceship, next boss. That's reasonable. Members, go to boss, object. Yeah, that's yeah, this is my texture too. Why is this a texture? Why is boss turn into a texture? Why is current wave 141? Well, I think that's a whole different question. Boss list, what's this look like? That one looks reasonable. Enemy list looks reasonable. Spawn list looks reasonable. This is not reasonable. This, I can't even understand how this could happen. I genuinely can't. I can't. This doesn't make any sense. This does not make any sense. Galaxy Man, does this work? Yeah, it looks like it. Current level. Inventory. Color scheme. I had to check all of these to make sure that the engine hasn't decided to randomly switch them around. Because apparently that's good. Apparently that's kosher. Okay, come on. Let's see. This works. Everything else is fine for the moment, except boss, which for some reason, when it's queued free, it becomes a random other thing. It just points to a random other node. How do I fix that? Genuinely, how do I fix that without getting some weird memory leak problems? How do I fix that without just not deleting it? Without just like setting it into an array somewhere and just leaving it? To make sure that it doesn't, you know, let loose and allow anything to be anything. Because this is not the boss. Jesus, I don't even think I said this anywhere. I don't think I actually call this specific particle anywhere. I'm going to go to the script right now to see it. Entities, sniper. Let's see this. Emitting. This is the only place where I emit. This is the only place where I actually reference that. So there was no damn way that should actually be the boss. Why? Why is this happening? Why is this happening? I genuinely can't understand it. Do I just restart the engine? I'm gonna restart the engine, hope that this stops happening. Because if this doesn't stop happening, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I have to do a bug report on GitHub and say, hey, everything's bad. I mean, why could this possibly be happening? Why did it only start happening today? Why did it only start happening today? I'll try it again. I'll try it again. Maybe it won't start being so terrible. I'll see, because maybe it'll be alright, but okay. It's fine. I'm okay. I'm chill. I'm relaxed. It's fine. It doesn't even happen all the time either, which is kind of annoying. I swear. This is the same bug that I think it is. Previously freed instance? On previously freed instance? On previously freed instance. You're complaining because I called this health on a previously freed instance when this bit of code here is meant to stop this exact bug. This exact thing from happening. So it's not null, and it does have a weak reference. The weak ref thing still works. So why? Why is it running this error? I went out of my way to stop it from doing this error. This error shouldn't be possible. This error should not be possible because of this. Oh no. Why? What the hell? I don't know how to deal with this. I genuinely don't know how to deal with this. I mean, what do I do? Where do I go from here? This line of code solves it. This line of code stops this from happening. It has stopped this from happening until this moment. Until it's decided to do whatever the hell it's doing. How is it, like, being so bad at being deleted? Okay. Okay, you know what? This is fine. I'm just gonna have to delete it in a different way. And this way is gonna be really stupid and annoying. But you know what? It's the only damn way that I can work out to make it actually disappear. So, where were you doing this? It's in Wave Manager, I think. We actually delete it. We run the Q3. There we go. If weakref.getRef boss Q3. So if it exists, Q3. If it has a proper reference to it, Q3. Else, don't run that. So that should be working, but instead we're going to have to do .delete. Just to make sure. We're going to have to actually run this, and we're going to have to do a custom function. And all this is going to do, it's going to have to loop through everything. We're going to have to go to the spaceship. Going to go to delete. Here it is. I'm going to have to do for I in get children i.q3 then q3. This is what I'm going to have to do. This is what I am reduced to because of this damn bug. This weird bug. Like, it doesn't even make sense. Like, it would be one thing if the bug was like, oh, this is annoying, but I can see how this would happen. But no, this genuinely should not happen. This is not a bug that should exist. Okay, let's see if this works at all. I don't know if this will even work. This might just crash, who knows. Okay, well, it's working so far. This won't work anymore. Health. On node inventory. Inventory item. Inventory item. Inventory item. Well, need I say more? Do I have to say anything else? It's telling me that my boss is an inventory item. Returned node path? What are you talking about? What is this? Is not inside tree. Returned node path? What? This isn't a helpful bug. I don't get it. It's an What? What? This is so stupid. Am I gonna... How is this... This genuinely makes no sense. And I think it makes less sense of the fact that it's only actually happening with this one variable. No other variables are having this issue. All the others are pretty okay. For some reason, this one is the one that's having a problem. This boss variable. And I know everywhere it's being set. But I can guarantee you there is no variable which I set as an inventory item. I don't even know if I use this. How about using .3 instead of Q3? I mean, it shouldn't really make a difference for this. I mean, if anything, I should run into more bugs doing that because it's just deleting it straight off. I'll try it because I'm kind of at my wit's end. I have one more idea before this, but I might as well try to just free it. I'll just do free. Let's try this. Maybe it'll work. Maybe it won't. At this point, I'm willing to say that it just probably won't. I've given up hope. And even if it works this time, it might not work another time. If it works this time, it might crash. You know, the next time, I'm gonna have to test it out at least twice, even if it does run this time. I mean, wow. Come on. Attempted to free a locked object, calling or omitting. Yeah, that's what I thought. So that won't work. Oh my god. This is nightmarish. This is genuinely, like, terrible. But, okay. This is my last idea. And it's not a good idea. If a boss dot has health. And I think that's it. I think that'll do it. If it is checking for the member variable. I'm not entirely sure if it will or not. Oh, or it might just crash. Okay, sick. I'll just get the documentation on this. Let's do node Godot. And hopefully this will have some kind of like has variable thing. I don't know, maybe it's some object. Let's see. Get property, is that really what I want? Has method? Damn it, can I really not check to see if it has a member variable? Godot check member variable. Okay. Okay, it's get. Okay. So I'm pretty sure this is what I want to do. I'm just double checking it. I need to work out how this actually works. I thought that would get a property, which I'm not necessarily. Are properties synonymous with variables? I don't know. I guess I'm gonna have to check. Okay. Alright, come on. Gotta kill this and then there we go. Does this work or no? Come on. Wait. Attempting to call function get in base previously freed instance on a null instance. How does that work? That's like layers of bugs that shouldn't even happen. Oh no. This shouldn't happen. I don't understand this at all. So it can't call get in base previously freed instance on a null instance, even though I explicitly check to make sure that it's not null. If not boss is equal to null, and I mean there's no part of this which should actually. How about that is queued for deletion? Again, that's really not the issue. The issue here isn't deleting it before it's ready. The issue here is deleting it and then it's being insane. You know what? I'm gonna make a post online about this because the people need to see this. How the hell could this be a null instance? How could it change into a null instance between here and here? I mean, it couldn't. And weak reference boss.getRef. That should evaluate to true, surely. Let me just search weak ref to make sure that I'm doing this correctly. Godot weak ref get ref. returns the object this is referring to. It does not have any effect on the object. Let's see. If this object is not a reference, weakref still works, however it doesn't have any effect on the object. We have usual in case of multiple classes of variables refer to each other. Using these kind of... Okay. So... this is the same. So this again should be working here. If it does have a get ref, then yeah, right? If get ref evaluates to true, it should run this. Please. Guys, I'm beginning to think that actually the universe just hates me. That actually I'm just stuck in hell. Come on. This is terrible. This is absolutely terrible. This is genuinely terrible. So it is a null instance. It's a previously freed instance. And both of these things do not work. Weakref boss.getRef. That is the correct syntax, isn't it? Weakref object.getRef. Yeah, that's the correct syntax. Just what do I do from here? Where do I go from here? What the hell do I even do? If I can't run this when I want to, but then it also becomes some random other things sometimes. Maybe if I separate these out, it shouldn't work, but I don't know. Let's see, is this any better? This should explicitly stop. I don't know. I genuinely don't know how to deal with this. I don't know what the hell this is happening for. I mean, I also don't know why it pushes me sometimes. Okay, it worked this time, I think. That's kind of reassuring. On the other hand, also kind of terrifying, because why? I'll get this guy and then I'll freaking see if this crashes again or not. I mean, it might. It didn't crash one time, which is, I guess, hopeful. But, like, it could crash any other of these times. Are you kidding me? Wait. There we go. There it is. Just why? Just why? How is it, like, disappearing? It passes this, and it gets to here. What? Oh no. Oh no. What the hell? What the hell? Why? Why? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. But this should not allow it to go through, and for a minute it didn't, but then at some point, again, in between these two lines, it became terrible. What the fuck is happening? Ah. Can I explicitly set it to null? Because I think that's my only recourse at this point. I don't want to do that. I don't want to have to do that. Oh my god. Oh no. Why is this happening? I think this is hell. This truly is hell. I am stuck in hell. Cause like it works when it exists. But then when it dies, like it deletes it. And then it's gone. It gets deleted fairly early on, but at some point it just starts again. What? 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 I'm dying. I think I'm gonna die. I think it's inevitable at this point, quite honestly. I am on a one-way path to dying. Maybe I should become a fire eater. Or a juggler. Or juggalo. Maybe I should run away and join the circus. I should run away and join the circus. Bleh. Bleh. You guys are still watching? I don't care. You can leave. It doesn't matter. This is a terrible bug. This is just terrible. This is just abysmal. This is nightmarish. No, nightmarish doesn't begin to describe this. This is significantly worse than nightmarish. This is night terrorish. Night terrifying. I don't know what the hell this is. What do you do? What do I do about this? It doesn't do anything that it's meant to do. It's just random. It's just actually just random. And the issue is, because it can be anything, maybe that's it, because it can be anything, because it just changes its value randomly, it never actually like this kind of thing can happen. It doesn't settle down. Am I gonna have to manually set this to null? I'll just do else boss equals null. If you can't get the reference to it, then just set it to null. Just give up. Will this crash? Will this work? Who knows? Nobody knows. It's not a knowable thing. It's just bad. It's just bad for all time. It's just a really bleak mode of living. This is terrible. This is just a terrible thing. So I guess, yeah, if I kill something I'm not meant to kill, it'll just crash. If I delete something that's not meant to be deleted, if I delete whatever the hell boss is at this minute, it'll just crash. Or maybe not, because I'm setting it to null. Well, there you go, it's set to null. Is that fixed? I don't know. There. I'll just do a bunch of exclamation points near it. Terrible. Just terrible. Okay. Okay. So you know what I'm gonna do now? I'm gonna get a drink. I'm gonna get freaking vodka. No, I'm gonna get tea. So I'll be back in a few minutes. 1 second.
Microphone muted.
Okay, I'm back. And yeah, I'm back. I need to like. You can't hear this because I get copyright striked on everything. But I need to listen to something like happy to renew my sense of well-being, my sense of worth. I don't know. I'm just looking for something now. That was a terrible thing, that bug. Why the hell did that have to be the way it is? I know what song I want to listen to. I'll show it on the screen so you can like think, but I can't let you listen to it. No, no, no. Alright, one second. I need to mute my desktop audio. Alright, no. There. We'll just put a text on the screen that says something like. Where is it? Maybe this will do. There we go. Yep. Yep. There's a motorbike outside. Don't know why. That was such a bad bug. Like, you guys don't even know. I was thinking, like, I don't know how I'm gonna deal with this. I still don't know if it's even fixed. I hope it is. There's just endless workarounds I can do if it isn't fixed. I can, like, check the type or something, like, everything. It's just such a stupid, weird thing. I hate it so much. I genuinely hope that it's fixed. If it's not, I'm gonna be so sad. Like, for real. Okay. Oh wow. Someone liked my comment. Wow. Okay. I'll listen to the end of the song. Not really, that like ruined my mood. Wow. I was like feeling good before that. I was like, yeah, I'm gonna get this done. And then I started working. I got, oh yeah, this is okay. And then I just went further and further, and I realized, oh wait a sec, this is eldritch. This is nightmarish. I hate this, you know. It was terrible. But whatever, right? Whatever. Doesn't matter. It is. It's okay. It's under control. There are ways to fix it if it does come back. I've got some more things in mind, but it's not. It could be worse. As I said, it could be a lot worse. It might be bad, but right now it's okay. I got this. Okay. Gonna get back into it. Gonna really go into this stuff. I'm gonna there we go, that song's over. Okay. Sick. So I don't want to look at this ever again. I need to remember what I was actually doing for this. So oh yeah, I need to check to see if a second boss works. So it probably won't. I'm just so sick of fixing bugs, you know? But I mean most of them are fixed by now. Like the big ones are fixed. I would imagine, unless another really scary one comes up. Like, you know, I don't have much really nightmarish stuff going on anymore, which is nice. Still little bits I need to say. Yeah, as I said, just make sure this second boss thing works. There we go. So I need to get to the next boss. So basically, this is basically the same as if I had never made this boss spawn immediately. Alright, it's all good. It's all good. It's all okay. Everything is okay. We got this. Alright? We got this. Yeah. It's okay. We got this. I didn't give up. I saw it through to the end. And I want to die. But it's fine now. It's fixed. So that's better than it could have been. If I didn't fix it, I mean, yeah. Text on the screen? Oh, yeah. Forgot about that. There we go. Should probably be looking at the stream while I'm actually doing it. Oh well, whatever, it's fine. The second boss. Woo. Okay, well, same as the first, obviously, because that's the only one that can actually spawn at the moment. Let me kill this one and make sure it works. Yeah. There we go. Please. Just die. I drank coffee 12 hours ago and you still can't sleep? Jesus, dude. You ever tried, like... Oh, my headphones fell off. Yeah, that sucks. I don't know how to fix that. Coffee will mess with you. Drink it responsibly. It's underrated as a cause for insomnia, honestly. People genuinely don't realize that it's actually very effective at giving you insomnia. So yeah, just... I don't have a solution. The demon venom is a nightmare concoction. That's true. That's true. You gotta even it out with, like, oh, I died. Doesn't kill this dude, he's still here. Whatever, anyway, that seems to work fine. I've done it! I did it, Reddit! Yeah, I don't know what to do. Freaking eat some roofies. Eat some damn roofies, dude. An unnatural anathema to human metabolic function. Yeah, there's some words. There's some words. Okay, it's fine. What else do I really need to do right now? I can't believe how hard that killed my momentum. Now if I do sleep, my sleep cycle would be fucked. Oh yeah, it's like 2:30, isn't it? Yeah, you gotta wait for at least another, like, 6 hours before you can justify sleeping. So, good luck, I guess. Yikes. You wanna stay up for 24 hours, baby? It would be 8 till 8. So is this boss done? Like, no, he's not. He's still got problems. He's still got things he's got to do. I really shouldn't have, like, started systems in the middle. It seems to be really annoying and like a bad idea. Let's see. I need to animate stuff. I don't want to animate stuff. I could double down when I do get tired. Oh no. Need to sleep like 6 AM to 8 AM. Oh yeah, you want to be full nocturnal? Yeah, I understand. That's worse, yeah. I mean, maybe more coffee is a good idea in this case. Like, there's a case where two evils actually make an ethical. That'd be pretty good. I just have to fix more and more like bugs and weird stuff. I don't like this. I don't really like this boss either. Like, he's annoying and I don't want to animate him. I'm too like tired to animate him right now. I don't really know what other attacks he should have. He's got 2. I mean, you need more than 2. You need at least 3 to be a good boss fight. And even 3 is not that many. I don't know, you could do like a... I don't know. Like something like shows up reticles on the arena. And then he would like shoot homing missiles to explode at that reticle. Oh, also your video game looks top cool, don't be sad about bugs. Yeah, thanks. I won't give up. I'm not giving up. On the other hand, actually fixing bugs is it's the opposite of a pleasurable experience. It's like negative heroin. It is inverse heroin, truly. Instead of, it just makes you feel really bad. So I might as well do that. I mean, I don't need to animate this guy a lot. He's a spaceship. He's a boring spaceship at that. Let me give him a new attack and I'll call it target. Call deferred free could do it, then you could theoretically just use not equal null and nothing else. The thing is that when it does like get deleted, it sometimes assigns itself to other nodes. Like, I've already fixed the bug. Like, that one is done, I think. But like, yeah, like the issue is not just that stuff. It's that sometimes it'll assign itself to random other nodes, like particles material, particles 2D nodes, sprite nodes, just things which it should never be, just for no reason. Well, either way, that's done, and I'm not doing that anymore. I've got a fix. Don't care how good it is. Don't care whether you think it's good. It's my fix, and I'll stick with it. Oh wait, this is called attack. Why is this not? That's called attack. Resources. Spaceship target attack instance node add child target attack. On the other hand, it's just as well I met this bug while Florian wasn't here, because otherwise I'd be distracted as hell trying to fix this. Yeah. Global position equals global position. Current attack equals target attack. I think it should be the basics. This guy should be like one of the first bosses, I guess. Not super interesting, but just like challenging enough so you keep going, that kind of thing. Yeah. My god. Alright, let's see. Target. So I guess I just need to actually get this attack. Spaceship target attack. Well, let's get the barrage attack, which I had. Barrage, and I'll just save this as target. So for the moment it's just going to be a carbon copy. Yeah, not a big deal. I guess it should just like, it should make the bullets which determine a target at the player's location. Then they would lerp to the target real fast, and then when they get within a certain radius they should just explode. That would be okay. Yeah. That would work. Okay. Alright, let's go. Let's do this. Target. Make unique. Save as. Scripts, entities. Call it spaceship. Spaceship target attack. A lot of scripts here. I haven't counted how many lines of code I have in a while. Or I say like a week. Is it going to be more than 7,000? Oh yeah, 7,500. pretty bad. Okay. Let's see. Bleh. I'm gonna make this a bit bigger. Time between attacks. Targeting. Spelled correctly, ideally. Don't really need to set the movement vector since it's going to be lerping. And it can get the thing itself. So this is reasonable. Yeah. I guess this can go for this full 6.8, I think. I think that's how long. 6.8 or 6.4, I can't remember. It's one of them. Okay. Spaceship targeting bullet. One ready. Spaceship. Target attack equals preload. Resource. Prefabs. Entities. Bullets. Attacks. Spaceship target attack. Dot texture scene. There we go. And I'll just take this and I'll put it up with the rest of them. Keep the attacks and the bullets separate. Ready bar spaceship targeting bullet equals preload resource prefabs entities bullets enemies spaceship targeting bullet. There we go. Let's get the spaceship bullet. I'll save this as targeting bullet. Easy peasy. I'll just make the script unique too, since it's definitely going to require some extra script stuff. Let's save this. Oh boy. I'll just save this as scripts, entities, spaceship targeting bullet. There we go. Wonderful. So now I just basically need to, so it doesn't need to work on movement. Now it needs to determine where the player is. Maybe with a bit of random stuff, I don't know. Man, I'll have to see. So on ready, it's gonna have to add child, and then I'm gonna set the position. Then I'm gonna do this because add ready actually calls during the add child bit. My God, speaking is hard. For this long, yikes. Okay. So it's basically it's got to get it's got to do. Well, speed is useless here, but I'll leave it anyway. Targeting bullet. I don't actually have a reticle. I'm gonna have to draw a reticle. I forgot about that. I'm gonna have to actually. Oh man. Whatever, right? It'll have to spawn a reticle. So spawn reticle. Spawn reticle. Perhaps I'll just ignore that for the time being. We'll just do our destination equals vector 2. Blank vector 2 basically. Destination equals get node. Player, not position or global. Position I might as well. What's that knocking? I don't know. Scares you? It's either my keyboard or stuff happening outside. It's probably not my keyboard because it sounds like my keyboard sounds like a keyboard. That knocking is probably from outside. I don't know. Let's see. It's basically just got to look to that. So position equals position dot position dot linear interpolate to destination. Let's do 0.1. Yeah, that should work. I'll just see if this does anything even. I don't know. if it starts shooting bullets at me really fast, yeah. Yep, that's kind of what I wanted. Except with a reticle instead of that. And it should also explode after some point, which it does not seem to want to do. So it should like just pause for a minute really. Timer, let's see, pause, let's call it initial, pause. I should just wait for like half a second while the reticle fades in. Auto start, timeout here. I should set process true. And in ready I'll just set, wait, physics process to be true, and here I'll just set, oh, what am I doing? False. There we go. Alright, cool. Wonderful. Okay. This should just give it a minute before it should show up the reticle and then it should dash really. And also if it gets, I'll also just do a thing to make it explode. So I'll do new timer, this should just make it die. And this should go after maybe 1.5 seconds. Like that would be reasonable. I'll also put down the speed at which it leaps since this is way too fast. 0.05 maybe. This one might run the issue of maybe not ever getting close enough. I don't know. Let's see anyway. Let's see. Come on, baby. Show me that. Nope, wrong attack. You damn idiot. Come on. Come on. Yeah, there you go. Now, why aren't these dying ever? Did I not set this to auto? I did not. Okay, of course I didn't. Okay, it's fine. I should make these balls a bit bigger too, I think. I'll just get the process material, scale should be like 1.3. And this should be maybe a bit bigger too. There we go. Yeah, it's fine. I'll change where they actually originate. I'll make them originate from here. There we go. These should actually do a much bigger explosion than the others because it's got to be like an AoE thing, so meh. Come on, don't do this one. Oh, that's pretty good. With the reticle showing up, that actually looked pretty decent. So okay, that's fine. Yeah, that's okay. Whew. Yeah. I'll do the rest another time. I'm tired. I don't have any energy left. So I'm gonna wait 10 seconds for the stream to reach 2 hours. Then I'm gonna get out of here. 4, 3, 2, 1. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more